name's Minor Carrie. I'll be taking you into the candy mine. I do just have a few very quick safety rules and reminders to go over. Now keep in mind, here at the mines, us drivers, we're just paid by how many people we take into the mine, not necessarily how many we bring back out. So on that note, just as a quick reminder, for your safety, please stay seated at all times. Keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the ore cars at all times. There is no eating, drinking, and absolutely no smoking while on board this train. Please do feel free to take as many photos or videos as you like. All we ask is that all camera flash and flashlights remain turned off. Now with all that being said, let's go see if we can find ourselves some candy, shall we? All aboard? Now as we make our way into this dark, totally unassuming, non-suspicious tunnel here, you may want to take a look to your left-hand side, wave goodbye to those folks waiting behind the gates there, or not. But either way, it may just be the very last time we may be seeing them.
Candy vines have gummed up the works. Everything has been blown ruined, and I gotta do think about what good to do. And turn back to what that ain't very fine.
Cheers, you red fat one!
Those kids just ran past screaming about a picture. Keep your hands off my jawbreakers! Now, finish square!
You want the witch to get us! Keep going!
Those kids don't stand a chance. Every year it's the same thing. That ain't very
Alrighty folks, please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. Once the train has stopped, you can lift up on your wooden seat located next to the door. Please do not attempt to hop over the car door. I'll be coming around in just a moment to unlock that door for you. With all that being said, it was a pleasure having you all aboard today. We hope you enjoy the rest of your evening here at Not Scary Farm. Once again, just lift up on that wooden seat. I'll be coming around momentarily to unlock the door.